Waimano Falls, cuz. My brother ordered. My sister over here. Just kidding, she's my girlfriend. We still call each other sister, brother.
I rate the hike a 10. It was very muddy though, very slippery. So you need your hiking shoes.
I rate this hike an easy, no questions asked, no comments, even 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean the waterfall where it's a huge waterfall.
Look at this.
This isn't even the hike, but this is getting to the hike. Now for parking, you will have to park in like a neighborhood, so you gotta find street parking. But yeah, anyone can come here. It's called Waimano, and it's in like central Oahu, so not too far. But you can honestly Uber here if you're vacationing here. Just Uber here because, like I said, no parking.
There's two trails here: Waimano Trail, which is the one where we visit a pond, and there's the Banana Ridge Trail. On the left-hand side.